Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and turning on the essentials. On your Realme, open Settings and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Make sure the phone and display share the same network. Enable the built-in screencast or multi-screen option and grant location and nearby devices permissions so discovery works. Once done, keep the phone awake in display settings to avoid timeouts. This gets you to the connection phase quickly, without fiddling with irrelevant options. Now you move into discovery and pairing. Pull down the control center or go to Settings Screencast and tap Scan. Your Realme will list available displays. Tap the display name you want, then accept any pairing prompt on the TV or monitor to establish a secure connection. If you prefer wired, plug a USB-C to HDMI adapter into your phone and switch the display to the HDMI input. The phone should mirror automatically. Make sure both devices stay awake while the connection initializes. Finish by optimizing display and knowing how to disconnect. Once connected, adjust orientation and resolution in display settings or inside the casting app for clarity and performance. When you want to stop, use the control center or screencast menu to end the session and unplug any adapters safely. If anything fails, reboot the phone and display, toggle Wi-Fi, reauthorize nearby and location permissions, or test a different HDMI adapter. These quick fixes resolve most connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.